Hello students, this video is about question and answers of the class 6th science chapters.
Chapter 12 Electricity and Circuits. Exercises. First, multiple choice questions. Here, select the correct option. First question. If a current is drawn from the cell, the circuit is said to be. The given options are A. Open, B. Complete, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Here the correct answer is option B. Complete. If a current is drawn from the cell, the circuit is said to be complete. Second question. The closed path in which the current flows is called a. Option A. Electric circuit, B. Switch, C. Conductor, D. Insulator. Here the correct answer is option A. Electric circuit. The closed path in which the current flows is called an electric circuit. Third question. One of the following is an insulator. Option A. Wood, B. Iron, C. Moist air, D. Copper. Here the correct answer is option A. Wood. One of the following is an insulator, that is wood. Fourth question. The one which is a good conductor of electricity is option A. Rubber, B. Glass, C. Mica, D. Gold. Here the correct answer is option D. Gold. The one which is a good conductor of electricity is gold. Fifth question. An electric switch is also sometimes called option A. Circuit, B. Key, C. Cell, D. Electricity. Here the correct answer is option B. Key. An electric switch is also sometimes called key. Sixth question. An electric current flows if there is option A. Source of electric current, B. Source of electric current and a metal wire, C. A source of electric current, a conducting wire connected in an unbroken loop from one terminal of the source to the other terminal, D. All the conditions given above are true. Here the correct answer is option C, that is a source of electric current, a conducting wire connected in an unbroken loop from one terminal of the source to the other terminal. An electric current flows if there is a source of electric current, a conducting wire connected in an unbroken loop from one terminal of the source to the other terminal. Seventh question. Which of these can be used to produce an electric current? Option A. Graphite, wood, rubber. B. Rubber, glass, wood, silver. C. Pure water, wood, silver. D. Copper, iron, silver, graphite. Here the correct answer is option D. Copper, iron, silver, graphite. Which of these can be used to produce an electric current? Copper, iron, silver and graphite. Eighth question. Which of these is a set of only conductors of electric current? Option A. Wood, graphite, copper. B. Copper, graphite, silver. C. Graphite, plastic, glass. D. Pure water, silver, copper. Here the correct answer is option B. Copper, graphite, silver. Which of these is a set of only conductors of electric current? That is copper, graphite and silver. Ninth question. Which of these statement is the most appropriate? Option A. An electric switch is used to light a bulb. B. An electric switch is used to close or open an electrical circuit. C. An electric switch can only be used with an external power supply. D. All of these. Here the correct answer is option B. An electric switch is used to close or open an electrical circuit. Which of these statements is the most appropriate? An electric switch used to close or open an electrical circuit. 10th question. Which of these appliances in your house is not run by electricity? Option A, geyser. B, gas burner. C, air conditioner. D, music system. Here the correct answer is option B, gas burner. Which of these appliances in your house is not run by electricity? That is gas burner. Second main, B, fill in the blanks. First question, an electric cell has dash terminals. An electric cell has two terminals. Second, a device that is used to break an electric circuit is called dash. A device that is used to break an electric circuit is called switch. Third, electricity dash flow through iron. Electricity can flow through iron. Fourth, when a cell is connected in a circuit, current flows from the dash terminal to the dash terminal in the circuit. When a cell is connected in a circuit, current flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal of the circuit. Fifth, an electric circuit which has a gap between two wires is a dash circuit. An electric circuit which has a gap between two wires is a open circuit. Sixth, an electric bulb converts electrical energy into dash and dash energy. An electric bulb converts electrical energy into light and heat energy. Seventh, a dry cell is dash carry about. A dry cell is convenient to carry about. Next main, C. State true or false against the following statements. First one, electricity in motion is called current electricity. This is true. Electricity in motion is called current electricity. True. Second, a dry cell does not contain any liquid electrolyte. True. A dry cell does not contain any liquid electrolyte. True. Third, electric current can flow through metal. This is also true. Electric current can flow through metal. True. Fourth, electric current can pass through a sheet of thermocol. False. Electric current can pass through a sheet of thermocol. False. Fifth, instead of metal wires, a jute string can be used to make a circuit. False. Sixth, the path made for electric current to flow is known as the circuit. True. Seventh, in an electric circuit, the electric current flows from the negative terminal to the positive terminal of the electric cell. False. Because it flows from positive to negative terminal, not from negative to positive terminal. Eighth, an electric switch is a device to open or close an electric circuit. True. An electric switch is a device to open or close an electric circuit. True. Next main. D. Match the items of column A with those of column B. In the column A, it is given as electric cell, metal cap, combination of cells, electric switch, semi-solid material. You have to match it with the column B. Here, electric cell, it is a source of current. Electric cell is nothing but a source of current. Metal cap is a positive terminal of a cell. Third, combination of cells. Combination of cells is called as battery. Fourth, electric switch. It is to make or break the flow of current in the circuit. Fifth, semi-solid material. It is present in the dry cell. Electric cell, it is a source of current. Metal cap, it is the positive terminal of the cell. Combination of cells is called as a battery. Electric switch, to make or break the flow of current in the circuit. Semi-solid material present in the dry cell. Next main, that is E. State differences at least two between the following. First one, conductors and insulators. Second, open circuit and closed circuit. First we will see conductors and insulators. What are conductors? Conductors allow the electric current to flow through them, whereas insulators do not allow the electric current to flow through them. Second difference is in the conductors. Conductors are used in plugs, switches, etc. Second difference of insulator is insulators are used for covering electrical wires, plug tops, etc. Now difference between open circuit and closed circuit. Open circuit is, it is an incomplete electric circuit, whereas closed circuit is, it is a complete electric circuit. In the open circuit, current cannot flow through this circuit. In the closed circuit, current can flow easily through this circuit. Next main, F. Give reason. First question is, electricity wires at home are covered with plastic. Answer, being an insulator, plastic is used to cover the electric wires so that the user does not get any electric shock. Why electricity wires at home are covered with plastic? Because user does not get any electric shock. Second question, electricity cannot flow in an open circuit. Answer, electricity needs a complete path to flow. In an open circuit, there is no complete path, so electricity cannot flow from it. Third question, wires are made of copper or aluminium, though silver is a better conductor of electricity. Wires are made of copper or aluminium, though silver is a better conductor of electricity. Answer, silver is a very costly and soft metal, so we cannot use it in the form of wires. It is costly and soft metal. Fourth question, we should not put our hand in the socket hole in an electric circuit. We should not put our hand in the socket hole of an electric circuit. Answer, inside the socket hole of an electric circuit, there are conductors in which current is flowing. So, we may get an electric shock which is harmful for us. Next main, G, very short answer type questions. First question, what is an electric circuit? What is an electric circuit? Answer, an electric circuit is a continuous path from the positive terminal of an electric cell to its negative terminal through which the electric current flows. What is an electric circuit? Electric circuit is a continuous path from the positive terminal of the electric cell to its negative terminal through which the electric current flows. Second question, why the conducting wires are surrounded by plastic? Answer, being an insulator, plastic is used to cover the conducting wires so that the user does not get an electric shock. Third question, name 3 materials that are conductors of electricity. Answer, the 3 conducting materials are copper, aluminium and silver. Fourth question, name 3 materials that are insulators of electricity. Answer, the insulators are rubber, plastics and wood. Rubber, plastic and wood. Fifth question, what do you mean when it is said that an electric circuit is open? Answer, when electric circuit is open means that there is a break in the path of the electric circuit. Current cannot flow through the open circuit. Sixth question, explain in brief the working of an electric switch. Answer, electric switch is an electric device which easily closes or opens an electric circuit. Seventh question, how can an electric current be set up? Answer, by using a battery or cell in a closed circuit, we can set up an electric current. Next main H short answer type questions. First question, using the conduction test on an object, it was found that the bulb begins to glow. Is that object a conductor or an insulator? Explain. Answer, the object is a conductor. Object is what? It is a conductor because the glowing of bulb shows that the circuit is closed while the insulator never makes a closed circuit. Second question, why should an electrician use rubber gloves while repairing an electric switch at your home? Explain. Answer, rubber gloves are the insulators of electric current and by using them, electrician is safe from getting any electric shock while repairing an electric switch. So, why rubber gloves are used? Because rubber gloves are insulators so that he may not get any electric shock. Third question, draw the symbols for the following. A bulb, a cell, battery with 3 cells and a switch. Answer, bulb. So, this is the figure of a bulb. Next, cell. It has a one positive and negative terminal. Next, battery with 3 cells. It is drawn here. A switch. Switch is drawn here. So, observe the symbol and you can try to draw. Question number 4. Give 3 differences between conductors and insulators. Now, differences between conductors and insulators. First one, conductors allow the electric current to flow through them, whereas insulators do not allow the electric current to flow through them. Second difference, conductors are used in plugs, switches, etc. Whereas insulators are used for covering electrical wires, plug tops, etc. Next main I long answer type questions. First question, give the construction, working and uses of a simple dry cell. So here figure of a simple dry cell is given. It is a positive terminal and below it is a negative terminal, and these are separator. It is zinc casing, manganese dioxide. It is a protective covering, and carbon electrode. It is called as a cathode, and ammonium chloride electrolyte. Dry cell. A cell is a common source of electric current. Its construction. A dry cell is made up of cylindrical zinc metal container. So it is made up of zinc metal. The container acts as a negative terminal of the cell. Inside the container is lined by a layer of white substance which is sticky in touch. The white substance is called ammonium chloride. Within the cylindrical layer of white substance is a dark grey granular powder. The powder is a mixture of manganese dioxide and carbon particles. In the middle of the dark grey granular powder is a grey rod which is provided with a brass cap on the top. It is made of carbon and acts as the positive terminal of the electric cell. Working. The electric cell produces a small amount of electricity from the chemicals zinc and ammonium chloride stored within it. When these chemicals are used up, the cell stops producing electricity. Uses. Electric cell is used as a source of current in torch, transistors, radios, cameras, cords, wristwatches, wall clocks, calculators, remotes, and a variety of mechanical toys. Second question, give the construction, working and uses of an electric torch. So this is the figure of an torch. Electric torch. Electric torch is a device to produce light at home in emergency. Construction. A torch has small bulb. So here it is a bulb and two or more cells. These are enclosed in a metal or a plastic case with a switch on its side. Working. Inside the torch, cells are connected through a switch to a small bulb. When we push the switch to the on position, the bulb glows. When we push the switch to the off position, the bulb does not glow. The cells inside the torch act as a source of light. Use. The torch is used to produce light in emergency conditions. Next section, J, diagram based questions. First question, figure alongside shows a cell connected to a bulb through insulating copper wires. State with a reason in which case the bulb will not glow. So here figure is given. Answer. In the given figure, both the connecting wires are touching to the bulb's terminals. So there is an closed circuit and current is flowing. If we break in the path of the electric circuit, then the circuit changes into an open circuit and bulb will not glow. If it is a closed circuit, then bulb will glow. If the circuit is open, then bulb will not glow. Second question, Figure alongside shows a cell connected to a bulb through insulated copper wires. State with a reason in which case the bulb will glow. Answer. In the given figure, there is an open circuit. So, if we touch the pin to the another terminal of the switch, then circuit will change to a closed circuit and bulb will glow. Third question. Rahim used a piece of thread to connect the terminals A and B as shown in the figure. What will happen? Hint is given here. Bulb will not glow as the circuit is not complete. Electricity flow only when the path is complete because thread is an insulating material. Answer. Bulb will not glow as the circuit is not complete. Electricity flow only when the path is complete. Here, thread is an insulating material through which electricity cannot flow. Third question. A circuit tester is shown below. So, this is the circuit tester figure. Here, classify the objects given below into ones that would make the bulb glow and those that would not. So, here some objects are given. First one is, it is a scale. So, in the scale, here bulb will not glow. B, it is a brick. In the case of brick also, bulb will not glow. C, it is a glass. In case of glass also, bulb will not glow. Whereas, fourth case, that is key, bulb will glow because it is made up of a conductor. Bulb will glow for key. E, it is a candle. Here bulb will not glow. F, it is a nail. In case of a nail, bulb will glow. So only in case of key and nail, bulb will glow. In other cases, bulb will not glow. Next main K, horse questions. First question. Our body is not made of metal. Still then, when we touch the electric wires with bare hands, we get shock. Why? Answer. Our body contains a large amount of water in which a small amount of salt is dissolved. This makes the water a good conductor of electricity. Thus, when we touch the electric wires with bare hands, the flow of current enters in our body and we get shock. Second question. We should never connect both the terminals of a cell without connecting an appliance in a circuit. Why? Answer. If both the terminals of a cell connected without connecting an appliance in the circuit, this will destroy the cell. Next main L, value based question. Here we will see one incident. Sanjay took a dry cell and connected to its central terminal to a copper wire such that other end of the wire is free. The base of the cell was connected to another copper wire whose other end is connected to a terminal of a flashlight bulb. The other terminal of the flashlight bulb is connected to another copper wire with free end. The free ends of the copper wires he connected to terminals such as silver spoon, a brass candle stand, a steel plate, a plastic plate, an eraser, a rubber balloon, etc. He noticed that in case of the first three materials, the bulb glowed. However, in case of next three materials, bulb did not glow. He wanted to know the reason behind it, so he contacted his friend Puneet. explained such things on the basis of characteristics of conductor and insulator. Now answer the following questions based on the above information. Question A. What are the values displayed by Puneet? So Puneet is Sanjay friend. He showed the values social responsibility and scientific knowledge. Question B. What role do the above materials play in an electric circuit? Answer. In case of conductors, current flows through them so bulb glow. In case of insulator, current does not flow through them. So bulb did not glow. So in conductors, current flows and bulb can glow. In case of insulators, current cannot flow, so bulb will not glow.